Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Fan Ray. First off, I just wanted to apologize for this background. It is absolutely terrible. Anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing a BaoFeng radio. It is the, I think it's the, oh no, my tripod. I think it's the, no, not I think. It is the GT-3WP. The WP stands for waterproof, and this is the knife I'm going to be using today, since I can't find my pocket knife for some reason. But I could just use scissors. But knives are way cooler. So let's get into this unboxing. Amazon delivered it to the wrong door. So then I had to go sneak over to my neighbor's house and get it. Without them seeing, so they wouldn't think I'm stealing one of their packages. Yep, it's the GT-3WP. As you can see right there, let's open it up. We have regular packaging, and then we have the radio itself, right here. Get it into the frame. Let's move the box out of the way, and the packaging. Alright, so this is the radio itself. Sort of. This is the box the radio's in. Alright, we'll get to the radio itself in a second. So, is it taped? Yes, it is taped. Never cut towards yourself, kids. Alright, now we can open the box. Alright, here we have the manual. Some good old stuff that I really don't care about. We have a car charger. Right here. So you plug it into the cigarette outlet or cigarette lighter place, and then you plug it into this base. Right here. I'm actually going to look at my other radio, so I can do a comparison. This was my other radio, my other BaoFeng radio. It comes with a earpiece and mic. There you go. This is the earpiece, but it doesn't come with an actual like shoulder speaker mic. This is just the microphone that's on the earpiece. Move that out of the way. It comes with a belt clip, which I believe screws on somewhere, because it sounds like it has a screw somewhere. It has a charging port, so you plug this in to the charger right here. Possibly. Oh, it's just really tight. We have a wrist strap. We have the antenna. And what is this? I have no idea what that's for. And then we have the radio itself. And the battery. So let's move this box out of the way. Open everything up. So right here we have the belt clip. I think it has a screw, so I have to be careful. Yes, it does have a screw. So there's a screw right there, and then here's a belt clip. Here's the antenna, just like my other BaoFeng radio. This is like the same exact antenna. It is the same exact antenna. The stock antenna. Here we have the earpiece, which the microphone is right here. Press that, and then it lets you talk into it. And then I don't know what this is, so I'm not going to open it right now. Let's open the battery first. Right here we have the battery. And then we come to the radio itself. Yay! Ooh, it's nice. It's built way better than this one, the UV5R. What is up with the logo? See the logo on the bottom? Or not the logo, it's a... Oh, it's an actual magnet? No, it's a sticker. Interesting why it did that. There, I fixed it. But the buttons are already very nice. So let's put the battery on. I think this is how you do it. Yes. Okay, so let's turn it... Hold on, let's put the antenna on and remove this screen protector thing. I know most people don't like to do that, but I don't like it because it usually comes... Oh, it's sticking to me because it usually comes with like bubbles and stuff. Let's put the antenna on. You know what? I'm going to put my other antenna on just because it's not bent compared to this one. I could probably bend it back, but, you know, I'll put this antenna on. Same exact antenna. Let's turn it on.
Channel mode.
I don't want it on channel mode. I want it on frequency mode.
1.
I want it on
1918.
And it comes with a, hold on. It comes with a light. I was not expecting that. It comes with a light right here, an emergency alarm, and a emergency alarm. So this is the PTT. This is the FM radio, and then this is the alarm, or the light. Oh, I got one. Okay, good. This is the alarm and light. That is very loud. And then I'm gonna have to figure out how to change the setting. And then this is the emergency alarm. Let's see if I can get a different thing with the other antenna, because that sounds pretty bad. Alright, let's put the belt clip on. Sorry guys, I honestly have no idea how to do this. Oh, this gets taken off. This inside part right here. Oop, I hope I didn't just break it. And then alright, so I do need to go get a screwdriver, unless I have a screwdriver right here really close. Let me go see. I thought I had a screwdriver. Oh, I do have one in my camera case. I will be right back. Okay, I have my screwdriver. It's a red screwdriver, if you wanted to know, and I just dropped the bit that the screwdriver comes with. Let's not do that and lose it. Alright, here's my screwdriver. So we have to unscrew the back of this radio right here to put the belt clip on. I guess. And then this goes right here, I think. Yes. Hold on. Guys, hold on. Alright, put the screw back in. Dang it. Alright, now we have the belt clip mount, which goes just like this. So the belt clip attaches to your belt, and this just slides on and clips in. But then you have to like put it at a special angle to get it back out, unless you want to break it. So I'm going to have to figure this out in a little bit. Oh, there we go. Cool. And it can turn and stuff. Turn that down. And, yeah. Throw all this junk away. All the bags and stuff. I'm Rail Fan Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching this BaoFeng unboxing.